guys. Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about travel and how to pack a simple suitcase for travel. Now, I recently saw a great idea. Now, I don't know if you will like this idea or not like this idea. I thought it was a super fabulous idea. Now, it depends on whether or not you're going to stay 5 days or 2 days, whether you really want to do this or not. Because if you're only going to stay somewhere one night, overnight, and you only have 2 outfits, you could probably just roll that up, put it in a duffel bag, and that might be the simplest and easiest way. But I saw, if you're going to stay for an extended time, taking those hanging cubes. They have 5 cubes when they're hanging, but they fold flat because they're just hanging cube, and you can get them at Dollar Tree, especially if you're going to use it just for this purpose and you're not going to use it as an everyday item. You can get those at Dollar Tree, I believe, for either $3 or $5. I think that's the least expensive I've seen them. But if you're going to use it in your closet, of course, I would buy a little bit more expensive one. My husband's came from, mine came from Avon many years ago. I bought it because it had roses on it. It's not super pretty. It's just got beige roses on it. My husband's, I believe, is gray, and we bought it at the Container Store. So his was a little more expensive. I believe his was $20. I don't remember how much mine was. I did buy 2 of them, but I bought them many years ago. And then we just recently bought my husband's at the Container Store while we were in Austin, and that was about $20. But you can get the one at the Dollar Tree for either $3 or $5. I think Walmart has them too. I haven't priced them, but for your suitcase, I thought this was a fabulous idea. You put your pajamas in the bottom, the 5th cube, and then you can put your outfits that you're going to wear in the cubes. Now, you could fold your underwear, your socks, and your top and bottom, fold them all together and put them in each one of those rungs. Then when you get to the hotel, where I don't normally use the closet in the hotel, or when I go to my family's house, I don't usually use the closet, but this might allow me to a lot easier, because all you do is you pick it up out of your suitcase, hang it in the closet. Each outfit is in its own cube, and then you still have your little makeup pouch and other stuff in your suitcase. I just thought it was a fabulous idea. But to make packing even easier, I was listening to Karina Holden. She is from Front Fighters. She has a YouTube channel, Front Fighters. But these ideas came from her website, and so this is what I'm going to talk to you about today. She talks about mixing and matching your wardrobe for travel so that you don't have to pack as much. A small set of pieces that mix and match. You must like everything that you have. And first, you have to know the details of your trip. You know, how many days you're staying, what is the weather going to be like, what kind of activities are you going to be doing, are you going to try to work out while you're on vacation, are you traveling because it's business, is there going to be a formal evening. You know, first you've just got to think about all the things about your trip. Then your outfit, make outfit combos. Now, what kind of outfit combinations are you going to need for all those, for the weather and the activities and days that you're going to be there? Are you going to be able to do laundry while you're there? You know, what kind of casual, how many casual outfits, how many professional outfits, how many formal outfits or dressy casual. And then here are some ideas for fall. Maybe one pair of jeans that you can wear over and over, or two pairs of jeans. Of course, that depends on how long you're staying and whether or not you can do laundry and how many times you wear your jeans before you wash them. Some people, you know, their jeans, you know. If you know, you know. But then you're going to need t-shirts for as many days as you're staying. You may only need one pair of jeans or two pair of jeans, but you're going to need a t-shirt for each day. What style of shoes are you going to need? What colors? You could do neutral, but choose all your accessories to be in bright colors. Or you could choose different bright colored t-shirts, have neutral, of course, in this case, if you're just doing jeans or khakis, do bright, and then have just neutral jewelry, which is probably, that's what I do. I usually take one silver necklace and one silver pair of earrings, or if I know that I need a dressier piece of jewelry, then I might have two selections. But whether you're going to need sweaters or jackets, let's see, just tops have colors, cardigans or jackets that will go with everything. And then 3 pairs of shoes possibly. I usually only go with 2, but in the winter, fall, if it's colder weather, you might need 3. You might need some boots. I usually have tennis shoes and sandals, and then if I have a formal day, I will bring heels. If I don't have a formal day, I may just bring boots. Now, she does have a form on her website. It talks about, first, let's see. First, she says to download this and it will help you. She has a guide. It'll tell you before you start packing how to pack a simple and flexible travel capsule wardrobe. Examples. It shows you examples of mini capsule wardrobe for summer or fall, and then you have this to plan your own. Now, here are some things she says. Karina gives basic steps to putting together a capsule wardrobe so that we can learn how to pack lighter. Now, I already try to implement these just in my closet alone, not just for travel. I have a pair of denim shorts and a pair of white shorts. Now, you could have khaki shorts. I also have a black skirt, which is a skirt kind of like those tennis skirts, but it has shorts under it, so it looks like you're wearing a mini skirt, but you've got shorts and a skirt. So those are the 3 summer, and that's just what I have for home. And then I have a few more items just because of the pandemic. I have a lounge pants that I bought at Sam's. They're just those knit, and you can make them look like joggers or pants, and they look nice if you have to dress professional when you go somewhere, and then they can be cinched. There's an elastic. They can be cinched to look like joggers. Those are great for travel. I have a black pair, a gray pair, and a navy blue pair. So those can be dressed up or dressed down. Of course, now I'm telling you things that I don't do for travel, because for work I have some really thin joggers. They're made just like sweatpants, but they're just t-shirt material. Those are what I work in clients' homes in, because like I said, they fit like sweatpants, but I don't get hot, because here it's too hot to wear sweatpants ever. Some people do, but for me, never. I never wear sweatpants. So I wear these and a t-shirt to work in with clients. And then in my wardrobe, I do have lots of tops, but I probably have more jeans than I would normally have, just because I joined Stitch Fix. But I have 2 bootcut jeans and then 2 of the regular skinny type jeans. And then I have a pant in every color. I have navy blue, black, khaki. I don't have white jeans. I would love to have some white jeans. But I'm just telling you that because my closet is pretty simple. It's simpler than a lot of women that I know. Traveling can be done just as simply. In the summer, I probably would take my denim shorts and my white shorts if I had a few days, 1 pair of jeans, and maybe a pair of khakis. But I will tell you, her ideas are super cool. She takes a maxi dress, because a maxi dress, you can put a t-shirt on over the top, you can put a t-shirt under the top, you can put on a denim vest or a denim jacket in the fall. And then she has her jeans, khakis, and then as many tops as she's going to need. And she does, I think, bring 3 pairs of shoes. But in my case, I usually just bring tennis shoes and sandals. That is usually all I need, but that also depends on the type of activities. If you're going to do, I might wear cowboy boots, bring cowboy boots one time, and I may be bringing heels another time, which I already kind of told you that already, but we're just doing a quick review now. The key to capsule wardrobe is that all the pieces mix and match. It doesn't have to be small if you like variety. It just needs to cover all the bases and you like what you have. Karina says having a definite set of wardrobe pieces that mix and match helps with the budget and helps with decision fatigue. That goes for closet or travel. Purposeful pick neutral colors for your pieces and bring in color through accessories such as scarves or jewelry. You can also choose to limit color to just your tops, which will then work with all the neutral bottoms. Try limiting layering pieces, cardigan, jacket to just 1. I usually, when I go travel, I usually do bring a denim jacket and a cardigan, because I never know what the weather's going to be like, because we live far, far south, so anywhere up north is going to be colder than I'm used to. But she says limit it to just 1. Just make sure it will work with all of your other pieces. Try this with jewelry and shoes too. When choosing a bag, purse to bring, try to choose one that is versatile for most, if not all, of your activities. Cross-body bags and backpacks are good options. I use a crossbody that only fits my phone, my credit cards, a lipstick, and pain reliever allergy meds. I have to have those no matter where I go. The only difference when I'm at home, I have business cards in there. But that is all I carry, is a crossbody. And it holds my phone. Oh, I have some clip-on sunglasses. Now, here are some things she says that are very helpful. Rolling your clothes helps you to easily see what you have packed instead of having things folded on top of each other. Pack necklaces in snack size zip bags to prevent them from tangling. Think of the details of your trip. How many days, the forecast, and kinds of activities you'll be doing, which determines the categories of clothes you'll need. Categories could be workout, casual, professional, or dressy. Think about the outfit combinations for each of the categories and the number you need. Will you be doing laundry? Use the first combination and start seeing how you work with that and expand it for different categories. Think about all the different ways you can wear a single piece. For example, a t-shirt can go with jeans, shorts, or a skirt, or even over the top of a maxi dress, or under a probably a strapless and a spaghetti strap dress. So try to think of ways that all of your pieces can be mixed and matched so you don't need as many pieces. And that is all I have on that subject. But like I said, she does have forms on her website. Mini travel capsule planning sheet, and I already told you how I travel. I usually just bring silver earrings and a silver necklace, and that I wear the same all the time I'm there, and maybe some khakis. But I might start incorporating the maxi dress. That sounds like a good idea. And then she says she uses a top that's a button-down top, and you can tie a knot in the middle at the waist. And that way, if you have a button-up top, whether it's dressy or whether it's casual, long sleeve, short sleeve, whatever the season is and the weather is, that can be in place of a sweater. And then if you need a jacket, that eliminates the cardigan and jacket situation, because you have a shirt that can work as a cardigan or a top. So anyway, you can check out that information on her website. I will give you her YouTube channel and Instagram channel in the description. But if you want this information on travel, that is going to be on her website. All right, guys, I appreciate you listening and watching, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.